Welcome back. It's now time for the business day. With the winter tourist season in full gear, a popular tourist attraction in Montego Bay, St. James has reopened its doors. And as you'll hear in this report, the owner says there is more in store. Details in this report.
Hands lifted, dancing to the sound of reggae music and a buzz of activities. They've all returned to Margaritaville following its reopening after a storm surge damaged the structure earlier this year. CEO Ian Dare says he spent millions in US dollars to rebuild the iconic tourist hotspot.
We started off with expecting to have to redo and renovate. Once we got into the construction element of what took place from the storm, we realized that there was a huge issue with the infrastructure. So we had to really build from literally the ground up. And in fact, we got to the top floor, which we didn't think was a problem, and we literally had to knock it down and rebuild the entire top floor.
Mr. Dare says while construction for the popular attraction is still ongoing, he remains optimistic as he looks forward to a successful winter tourist season.
Because we have reimagined the space, we have reestablished the space. We have all sorts of new experiences that we're going to unfold as the winter season happens. So by the end of January, the top floor will be completed and we have some really nice, fun surprises coming.
The surprises include a brand new facility to the property, which is set to unfold in mid-2025.
We're going to have a grand opening for our 30th anniversary. And we will actually have an exciting component, which is a bridge that will connect Coral Cliff and Margaritaville together. And so you'll have a whole different dynamic, a whole different experience that will be unfolded over the next few months.
Deidre Thomas, TVJ News. Petrol prices will all increase effective Thursday. Each litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 57 and 53 cents less. Automotive diesel will increase by 25 cents. Ultra-low sulfur diesel will be increased by 26 cents, while kerosene rises by 25 cents. 25 cents will be added to the cost of propane and butane. And of course, petrol stations will add their markup to these prices. And we take another break, but stay with us. International stories when we come back.